This tutorial is to show you how to use PowerSchool to check on your students' grades and attendance. To get to PowerSchool, go to muskegonpublicschools.org. Find the Parent Resources drop-down menu and choose PowerSchool Login. From here, if you already have an account, you can log in. If you need to still make an account for yourself, click on Create Account. We will be able to create an account by adding our first name, last name, email. You can make up a username, but it cannot be an email address, and you cannot use apostrophes. Then make up your own password. To link a student to your account, you must have an Access ID and an Access password. If you do not have these two items, you can call the main office and ask to talk to a counselor or have your child ask their teacher. After you've entered your login credentials, sign in to see an overview of your students' attendance and grades. This will show you last week's attendance and this week's attendance. A PR means present, an EA means excused absence, a UA is an unexcused absence. For the grades, they will be listed for each course that your child is currently enrolled in. If your student has a D or an F in a class, they need to sign up for tutoring and come into the school to work with their teachers. To sign up for tutoring, go to the muskegonpublicschools.org website, find the Schools tab, and choose Muskegon High School. If you scroll down, there are many links, including a request for face-to-face meeting. Fill out this form along with any notes, submit it, and your child will be told the confirmation when they are assigned a time to come in to see their teacher. You can also click on these grades to see more details. There will be lists of assignments, how they are categorized, whether or not they have been graded or are missing. Some teachers will have comments, and if you view that, you can see what the teacher commented and sometimes even the assignment description in case your student needs help finishing that assignment. If you would like to see more attendance, you can click on Attendance History and look back much farther. At this time, your student's attendance is being recorded on whether or not they are attending their Zoom meetings in the mornings. Students have 3 courses, all an hour long, that they should be attending a Zoom meeting for every weekday. If a student is not present, they will be marked absent, and you should start receiving notifications. If you have any more questions about what was covered in this video, please contact your student's counselor. Have a good day, and go Big Reds!